Quickcept. Concepts that click, quick.
Hello students. Today we will learn a very inspiring poem called 9 Gold Medals, written by David Roth. This poem is based on a touching incident from a Special Olympics race where athletes with physical and intellectual disabilities compete. Now let's understand the story in the poem. 9 athletes stand at the starting line of a race. Each one has trained hard for a long time, hoping to win a gold medal. The race begins, and all the runners start moving forward with determination. But suddenly, something unexpected happens. The smallest runner stumbles and falls on the track. He is hurt and begins to cry because he feels that his chance to win the race is over. The other 8 runners hear him crying. Instead of continuing the race, they stop running. Then something remarkable happens. They all turn back and go to help the fallen boy. One of the athletes helps him stand up. After that, all 9 runners hold hands and walk together to the finish line. The crowd watching the race is deeply moved, because in that moment, the race was no longer about winning, but about kindness, teamwork, and compassion. In the end, all 9 athletes are awarded gold medals. So students, the message of this poem is very powerful. True victory is not just about winning a competition. Real success lies in helping others, showing empathy, and working together. And that is the beautiful lesson behind the poem 9 Gold Medals.